Hey everyone, Technomancer here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an iPhone stuck on the red battery screen, why you're having this issue, and how you can quickly fix it. So, very first thing to understand is that when you're seeing this, your phone is most likely not charging. You may think that you're charging it, but it's actually not charging. And the first troubleshooting you want to do is make sure the charger that you're using didn't go bad. There's two parts to this, the wall adapter and the cable. Sometimes these can go bad and you plug in thinking it's charging, but it's actually not charging. So if you have a different charger to try that out. Try a different outlet as well. Try a different combination of the wall and the adapter as well, and it may charge. Now, additionally, you could try if you have a wireless charger. Most of the newer iPhones can do wireless charging. Just leave it on the wireless pad and let it charge that way. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes to 60 minutes both way, trying to see if you can actually get it to charge. And sometimes you may want to check out basically the inside here. Make sure that if you're using the cable charger that it doesn't have dust, lint, or dirt basically build up there, so when you plug it in, it's not actually charging. When you're actually charging, it should have a little vibration or beep sometimes if your sound is turned on, but essentially your main goal should be to make sure that it charges correctly. Now, after you've charged it and you know it is charging, maybe you're able to figure out that it's charging and you charged it for half an hour or so, you're going to follow this step, which is you're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'm going to do this in volume up, volume down, and then I hold down the side button just like this. And you're going to keep on holding it. And here, you're just going to keep on holding. You want it to go black where that screen doesn't show up. Go ahead and then wait for the Apple logo to appear, and it should load up and appear like this. If your phone just had a software glitch, it's going to go ahead and fix it. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your data. Again, really safe and easy method to do. If it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying as many times as you need to. Sometimes it could take couple tries before this method work, and you should be able to get back into your phone. All I did was quickly press and release volume up or volume down, and then I hold down the side button until you can get it to completely shut up and show the Apple logo again. And then after that, you should be good to go. Again, very important that you figure out the charging issue that you're having, whether it's the cable, the block, or the wireless part. Try charging it this way and then cleaning out, making sure there's nothing preventing it from charging. And another thing to keep in mind, if you recently got liquid like water or something in it, you want to make sure you dry it out before trying to charge as well. So go ahead and try those. And for some reason, if you tried all of this and you simply can't get it to work, most likely it could be that your battery is actually bad and you may need to get it replaced. In that scenario, there's nothing much you can do besides getting it replaced by Apple or authorized repair place. So I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.